Meaning of defrag.
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 Defrag. Defrag is short for defragmentation, which is a process that reorganizes the files and data stored on a computer's hard drive. Over time, as files are added, deleted, and moved around, the hard drive can become fragmented, meaning that bits of files are scattered in different physical locations on the drive. This can slow down the computer's performance, as the system has to search for the scattered pieces of files when it needs to access them. Defragging the hard drive rearranges the files so that they are stored contiguously, which can help speed up the computer's performance.